In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious salted cheesy roll-up recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of oil, 1 stick of butter, 2 cups of cheese, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 egg yolk. In a bowl, combine together the flour, milk, and half of the salt, and mix until a dough starts to form. Slowly add in the oil while mixing. Set the dough aside for later. To the softened butter, add in the remaining salt and the egg yolk and mix until completely combined. Take the dough onto a floured surface and roll out into a large rectangle shape. Brush an even layer of the butter mixture onto the dough. Sprinkle on half of the cheese. Roll the rectangle up tightly. Cut diagonal lines in the dough log to create triangle shapes. Transfer the roll-ups to a baking sheet. Brush each roll with an egg wash. Top with remaining cheese. We're going to bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Our salted cheesy roll-ups are complete and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.